Papaya has many benefits, including protection against heart disease, reduced inflammation, aid in digestion, and boosting your immune system. There are also benefits to eating papaya seeds. You can enjoy papayas in many ways, such as in smoothies and salads. It is high in nutrients such as vitamin C, folate, vitamin A, magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants. Some of the possible benefits of papaya include anti-cancer effects, anti-inflammatory properties, and more. Papaya can benefit cardiovascular health, vision and eye health, hair and bone health, and more. What is the best time to eat papaya? Morning. Eating papaya in morning can boost satiety as it can keep hunger pangs at bay. Papaya is rich in enzyme papain, which lends many benefits to the fruit, especially in relieving constipation and aiding digestion. Consuming papaya in the morning on empty stomach can help in body detox and digestion. Papaya possesses good antioxidant properties. It is also high in vitamin C that is beneficial to the skin, too. Papaya comprises an enzyme called papain that is beneficial both to overall health and to the skin.
Ito, hinog. Pero dito niya, crispy pa siya. So, ang sarap. Walang buto. Walang buto. Oh. Bawat araw mga lods, isang slice kakainin ko sa umaga. Yung hindi pa ako kumain. The best time to eat papaya is in the morning. Empty stomach. Then you eat papaya first. It's good for your our digestion. Malaki yan. Hindi ko yan balatan lahat kasi yung babalatan ko lang is yung kinain ko lang ngayon. Tapos takpan ko lang yan ng plastic. Tapos bukas na naman babalatan ko yung kakainin ko. Siguro maubos ko to in 3 araw. Yan. Sana hindi mag-amag to. Ang sarap. Sabi, ang sarap. Kami kaalong. Watery siya mga lods, tas ang tamis. Ang perfect. Ito mga lods, slice ko bukas. Bilabalatan ko to. Slice. 3 araw to maubos ko.